All right, good morning again, everyone. Chris Rosario here, and Dr. Ross Miller from UOG. Um, the title of this poster, Greater Band Hornet, established at several locations on Guam. Um, let's see where to start here. So, the Greater Band Hornet was identified uh, in a residential area in Tumon, uh, and it was found in July of 2016. Um, this hornet was is this hornet is in the genus Vespa. It's also very much related to the Asian giant hornet. Was found in Washington, which caused a lot of stir in the news in 2020. Um, but nonetheless, this this hornet, this great Havana hornet, is very well known for its distinctive orange band around the second segment of the abdomen. The size of the hornet is about 24 to 26 millimeters in length. Um, the distribution of this hornet ranges from Asia extending to the Middle East. They do dominate the tropical regions of Southeast Asia. And that's actually where most of these hornets um, are are originating from, not just Asia, but uh, the real big problem that these hornets pose uh, are the threat to honeybees. The honeybees are not its main food source, um, but when the hornet came to Guam, they found so these hornets are carnivorous. They prey on a bunch of social wasps, and on Guam we have about two of these species, actually three species, two of them which are in the genus Polistes. And then those are the common boonie bees that we call it. They're not bees, but they're the what we call the paper wasps, and they normally feed on paper wasps. However, um, when paper wasp populations are low, they actually then turn to honeybees as a food source. And we've actually had quite a few colony deaths due to this great banded hornet. Um, if you look at the photos on the left hand side, some of the nests can be tiered, three tiered, sometimes even four tiered. That can basically grow in about 3 to 4 feet in length. Um, if you notice that also these nests, they um, they are actually they're normally found in subterranean areas, so usually below the ground area in tree stumps. Um, the one at the bottom left hand side here was found in an irrigation system at the University of Guam. Uh, and then we see if here on the right hand side, the bottom right hand side, uh, that these hornets are actually raiding bee colonies. And so, and as you can see, some of the bee colonies have caused all their workers to the bee colony has had made their workers come out and guard the entrance of the colony. Um, and so they exhibit a defensive behavior, um, which is essentially a bearding behavior to ward off any attacking hornets. Um, but the biology of these hornets, the queen plays a huge role in both egg laying and foraging. And unlike many other hymenopterans, this hornet, in the nest, you can have multiple queens laying eggs. Um, that's that's what makes them quite interesting. But the rapid spread of Vespa tropica on Guam raises a huge public health concern, because attacks can be potentially fatal because of the persistence of attacking hornets and the um, the constant basically stinging. They can sting you multiple times, unlike honeybees, which only sting you once. Uh, and so really the distribution, as you can see in the map there, it shows that really indicates that island-wide eradication is probably not feasible. 28 nests have been located and destroyed across the island, and our efforts are still continuing to destroy hornet colonies. And that's all I have. Thank you.